There's more than one way to skin a cat and win those tickets at Chuck E. Cheese.
Get up there closer.
Closer.
That's one way to skin a cat.
This child will never play softball. It'll always be hardball.
No, this is something else. Get up there close. Yeah, that's the way, Rolling. Do it again.
Can Mommy try one?
It's a winner. We got a winner here.
Oh, so good.
This place.
Can Mommy try one? Oh, I really want that 100 cents.
Get one in that top circle.
Yeah, go
the top
clear
circle.
All right, good try. One more, two more.
Uh-oh.
You okay?
A little bit closer.
There you go, one more. Oh, good try. Here's your last one. Take it
One
down.
more. Left-handed. Yeah.
Yay, Roll. Was that
He
fun?
does it left-handed and right-handed. It doesn't matter.
Oh, now he's addicted. Watch out.
You want to do it again? Well, he knows how to put those tokens in those slots.
This is his last token. That's his last token.